Welcome. We are now going to unbox July's subscription to JavaMomma Picks. These are the coffees that you can order until the end of this month, and they will come to you in July. Just wanted to give you guys an early look at them. So let's see what we've got here. I guess I could have started this before I started the video. More tape. Yes, I really should have done that. We know for next time. All right, it's time. Yellow paper. Such pretty packaging. And we have a surprise. This was a surprise. I was not expecting this. It's a small 4-ounce Sumatra satin. And then we have red, white, and blue. See that? 100% Arabica coffee, 8 ounces. These are beans. I get the whole beans. American colors we can proudly represent with red raspberries, white chocolate, and tart blueberries. Sweet and fruity, a perfect patriotic treat. Can't wait to try that. Liberty. Free from oppression, we indulge in the justice of this unflavored single origin medium roast coffee with an intense flavor and subtle fruity undertones. Back here, out of the way. Then we have American pie. There is nothing more American than sweet apple pie. Big, juicy apples with hints of cinnamon will make you reminiscent of your July cookouts. That sounds interesting. Apple cinnamon coffee. I don't think I've ever tried an apple flavored coffee. So there we have it. These are your July subscription picks. You can order between now and the end of June. And I'm not sure if this will be in yours or not. They always give you a secret surprise every month. There we go. Liberty, red, white, and blue, and American pie. If you guys have any questions about them, just let me know.